This morning, atong makauban ug mahinabi ang usa ka talent coordinator sa Dakbayan sa Davao. Maong di na nato dugayon pa ato ng ila-ilahon. Help me welcome Pau Garcia. Good morning, Sir Pau. How's your day?
Good morning! Good morning, Ma'am Abby. Good morning po sa lahat ng mga nanonood ngayon this morning. Hello po sa lahat. My day was very progressive in a couple of months na nagdaan. But this June will be very promising for a lot of things to happen sa journey ko as a talent coordinator.
Kumusta naman po ang pagiging talent coordinator? How does it feel, Sir Pau, na isa ka sa mga hahanap at magbibigay ng mga new talent sa Sparkle?
The feeling was I'm very grateful to be given a chance to become the regional talent scout for GMA Artist Sparkles and Sparkle, and it was really a challenging one because you will get to know more about a lot of talents. Although it's challenging, it's inspiring because there are a lot of potential talents talaga sa Davao City na kailangan nating ma-discover pa. It's been a great honor for me to be part of this.
Sir Pau, ano po ba ang naging istorya nyo at paano kayo napasok sa industriya ng entertainment? And of course, tell us also your journey to Sparkle. Paunsa sabpud ba ka napili nga mahimong talent coordinator sa Sparkle?
To be honest, since I was in high school, I'm very active in our extracurricular activities and doon po ako nahasa. And along my journey, na-discover ko na gusto ko talaga sa entertainment industry because I do participation sa mga contests, mga competition. And I really love to showcase my talents because I really love to dance, to sing, to act also. Then, nung dumating na yung time sa life ko na parang binigyan ako ni God ng chance to motivate more and to inspire more, I opened up my agency. Itong agency ko is Icon Elite Artist Management. And doon talaga ako nagsimula kasi I don't want na may mga talents na masasayang, and I want Davao City to become one of the most talented cities na may ma-discover tayo. And because of my agency, yun yung reason ba't ako natanggap also sa position ko now na Regional Talent Scout ng GMA Sparkle because of that experience ko to handle and to mold such great talents here in Davao City. So yun, the journey was really exciting because you don't know the opportunities ahead. So yun po. Doon po nagsisimula lahat.
And talking about the talents, unsa sa ba inyuhang mga ginatanaw sa mga nag-audition aron mamahimo silang pasok sa Sparkle team, and what are the preparations sa mga new Sparkle members?
They have these qualifications talaga. They have these standards na artista talagang hinahanap namin. Yung pagpasok mo pa lang sa isang room, may artistahin na, may dating na. Or something like GMA to let their talent sparkle. So, ang hinahanap namin yung may sparkle talaga. To be honest, madami naman sa Davao. Hopefully, marami pang mag-audition sa Sparkle. Yung mga nahihiya, it's time for you to shine, to sparkle, and huwag niyong limitahan ang sarili niyo. If you have the guts, you have the talents, show it because minsan lang yung opportunity dumarating. And lalo na ngayon, online, it's not easy to open access some applications online. Madali na lang. Unlike before, audition talaga, magpilahan pa. Ngayon, isusubo na lang sa inyo yung auditions. But basically, choice yan ng mga talents. But once you will improve, once you will engage to this opportunity, ikaw rin makikinabang, lalo na pagpangarap mo ang pinag-uusapan.
Sir Pau, we would like to know, unsa sa ba imuhang biggest takeaway or lesson nga na-learn sa imong journey as a talent coordinator?
That's really a nice question. Siguro yung na put your heart sa pag-scout. Kasi ang talent kasi, nade-develop yan. So hindi din na alam, mahihain siya ngayon, pero ito pala is magiging big star. Hindi mo alam. So kailangan you don't judge someone who audition. You need to know more. Give chance and have patience when it comes to scouting. And kasi dyan mo nakikita yung mga totoong stars. Yung mga hindi mo akalain na dyan lang pala, pero andyan lang pala yung hinahanap natin ng mga artista. I always put my heart in everything that I do. So no matter saan man ako ilalagay, pagiging scout pa, coordinator, kailangan natin i-put yung hard work natin and everything will follow sa pag-receive natin ng mga blessings.
Okay, thank you so much Sir Pao Garcia for the time nga imong gi-share sa amua karong buntaga. Keep safe and more power Sir Pao.
Thank you so much, Miss Abby.
Kini ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.